how to fix your GCash account is on hold. Sometimes when you fail to verify your account, GCash will actually message you saying that your account is on hold. So let's see how to fix that. First, you will have to go to your GCash help center. So it's this website, help.gcash.com. So once you are in here, this will be the homepage layout, and at the bottom right you can see this chat with Gigi. It's basically an AI bot for this website. You can just tap over here and it will be here to assist you. So this is your virtual assistant, and here you can submit a message saying submit a ticket, and once you send this message, this will send you a link form. So right here you can click on this link. This will open up a small window right here, and here you can fill out all of your informations, like including your email address, your GCash registered full name, and by default it will be Philippines, so you can change it to your country. Then you will have to enter your mobile number, then your concern category, saying that your account is on hold, and basically you can type in your message here saying that your account is on hold and ask them to help to unlock your account. And if you have any photo evidence or anything like that, you can drop those files right here and then submit. So ideally within a day or two they should receive your message and get back to you, but in some cases you might have to wait up to a week. But after that they should be able to help you and fix the problem. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more informative content. And I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.